Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget monitors for photo editing that are available on the market for their true quality. These monitors are perfect for creatives who need excellent color accuracy without breaking the bank. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the InnoCN 15.6-inch portable monitor. This OLED touch display is a unique option for photo editors who prioritize portability and versatility. With a 4K resolution, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and a stunning 100,000:1 contrast ratio, it delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks that make your images pop. The 10-point touch functionality adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to tap, swipe, and zoom directly on the screen. It's ideal for on-the-go professionals who need a secondary display for quick edits or presentations. In terms of design, the InnoCN stands out with its sleek and lightweight form factor, weighing just under 5 pounds. The glossy screen enhances visual clarity, though it might be prone to reflections in brightly lit environments. Connectivity is a breeze, with USB-C and mini HDMI ports, making it compatible with laptops, cameras, and gaming consoles. However, the smaller 15.6-inch screen size might feel limiting for users accustomed to larger displays. While the InnoCN offers impressive specs for a portable monitor, its primary appeal lies in its flexibility rather than raw performance. The OLED panel is fantastic for color accuracy, but the glossy finish and smaller size might not suit everyone. If portability is your top priority, this monitor is worth considering. But for dedicated photo editing setups, you might want to look at options further up this list. Coming in at number 4 is the Crua 27-inch white monitor. This monitor strikes a balance between work and play, making it a versatile choice for photo editors who also enjoy gaming. It features a 2K QHD resolution, 2560 by 1440, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and 120% sRGB color accuracy. The IPS panel ensures wide viewing angles and consistent color reproduction, while the high refresh rate and AMD FreeSync support make it a great option for gamers. The Crua boasts a modern white design that adds a touch of elegance to any workspace. It also comes with multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. However, the 300 nit brightness and 2000:1 contrast ratio might not be sufficient for those working in brightly lit rooms or requiring exceptional detail in shadow regions. While this monitor is feature-packed and visually appealing, its main drawback is the lack of advanced color calibration tools, which might be a deal-breaker for professional photo editors. However, for casual photo editing, streaming, and gaming, the Crua 27-inch is a solid pick. At number 3, we have the LG 27US500W Ultrafine monitor. This 27-inch 4K UHD display delivers incredible clarity and detail, making it a fantastic choice for photo editors on a tight budget. With HDR10 support and up to 90% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, it provides vibrant colors and excellent contrast for working on high-quality visuals. The matte finish reduces glare, and the ergonomic stand allows you to adjust the tilt for a comfortable viewing experience. The LG 27US500W stands out for its affordability without compromising on essential features. The borderless design gives it a sleek and modern look, while the on-screen control software lets you easily customize your workspace. However, the 1000:1 contrast ratio is average, and the lack of factory calibration might require users to fine-tune the settings for optimal color accuracy. Overall, this monitor offers excellent value for its price, making it ideal for beginners or hobbyists. If you're looking for a 4K display with decent color performance at under $200, the LG 27US500W is hard to beat. In second place, we have the Asus ProArt Display PA248QV, a 24.1-inch WQHD 1920 by 1200 monitor, designed specifically for creatives. With 100% sRGB and Rec. 709 color space coverage and Delta E less than 2 color accuracy, This monitor ensures true-to-life color reproduction. It's also Kalman verified, meaning it's calibrated for professional-grade color accuracy right out of the box. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides extra vertical screen real estate, which is ideal for editing workflows. The design is functional and professional, with an anti-glare finish and a fully adjustable stand for tilt, swivel, pivot, and height. Connectivity is another highlight, with DisplayPort, HDMI, and D-sub options, along with 4 USB 3.0 ports. However, the WQHD resolution may feel limiting for those accustomed to 4K displays, and the smaller 24.1-inch screen size might not suit all users. For photographers and designers looking for an affordable, color-accurate monitor, the PA248QV is an outstanding choice. Its calibration and robust feature set make it a fantastic tool for creative professionals. Finally, taking the top spot is the ASUS ProArt Display PA278QV. This 27-inch WQHD 2560 by 1440 monitor is a powerhouse for photo editing, offering 100% sRGB and Rec. 709 color space coverage, factory-calibrated Delta E less than 2 accuracy, and Kalman verification. The ProArt preset and ProArt palette tools allow you to fine-tune color settings to match your specific needs, making this monitor a favorite among professionals. The build quality is exceptional, with a matte finish to reduce glare and a fully adjustable stand for ergonomic use. The extensive connectivity options include HDMI, DisplayPort, Mini DisplayPort, and DVI, as well as 4 USB 3.0 ports for added convenience. The WQHD resolution strikes a balance between 4K and 1080p, offering sharp visuals without overburdening your system. While the $229 price tag makes it the most expensive option on this list, the premium features and performance justify the cost. If you're serious about photo editing and want a monitor that delivers exceptional color accuracy and flexibility, the ASUS ProArt PA278QV is the best budget-friendly choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best budget monitor for your photo editing needs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.